When was the last time you savored a chutney in a wholesome way? Nuanced flavors, incredible textures, mouthfuls that make you salivate, and beautiful stories on what makes them special. Chutney is not just a condiment, but an emotion you feel as you scoop a spoonful into your mouth. I'm Rakesh Raghunathan, and I have set out on a journey to find such chutneys and bring them to the forefront. Welcome to the Great Indian Chutney Hunt. Traveling around the countryside, understanding the local produce in search of heirloom chutneys that have a story to tell. Learning the techniques behind these chutneys taught to me by culinary custodians from Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and Andhra. But then it got me wondering, how do I actually get you to try these exquisite chutneys at home? That's when Chutnefy and I came together. Chutnefy set out in 2023 to take chutneys, the underrated condiment of Indian cuisine, and give it the superstar status it deserves. Made in a state-of-the-art facility using some incredible cooking techniques and technologies, Chutnefy embodies the perfect mix of science and art and no fillers at all. Yeah. From dreaming it up to getting it out to you, no one does it better than them, and I couldn't think of a better pairing for this hunt. And now, probably for the first time, I present to you a food discovery show where it's not about you watching, thinking how delicious it looks, and longing to try it yourself. Instead, we are discovering it, getting the recipes from the source, recreating it, and with Chutnefy, bringing it out for you and the world to enjoy and celebrate. The Great Indian Chutney Hunt coming very soon.